Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Hotmail or Outlook mailbox full problem. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you open up the Outlook application and you notice that you are getting a notification telling you that your mailbox is full, then there are a few ways that you can free up your mailbox. First of all, you can try deleting messages from your inbox and other platforms. From the inbox menu, tap on your email app icon at the top left corner and then you will see various sections of email. Now the first mail folders that you can delete contents from is the junk folder. Go ahead and tap on junk, which is also the spam folder, and from here you can delete all of your emails. Simply long press on one email and you will see the tick mark option, after which you can tap on all of the emails individually or tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then tap on select all. You can then simply tap on the delete button and you will be asked whether you want to delete all of these messages. Tap on the permanently delete option and this will delete all of your spam emails from your junk folder. From there you can also look over to the deleted folder and you can also clear all of your deleted mails from this folder. Also from the inbox page, you can follow the same process by long pressing the emails that you no longer need, and then tap on the delete button to proceed with deleting your emails to free up your storage. And there you have it. That is how you can go about to fix the storage full errors on your Outlook or Hotmail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.